this woman go change to evil big bed.
Now you change.
Jesus change. Evil bed with she tell me make her no marry, make her dey pack her shit, they cook for her, they wash her clothes.
Wait.
A man of God, yes, so my pastor for church now.
Your pastor dey fly, your pastor na wish.
Your mother na wish.
Seriously no.
Pack her shit.
I don't get it to go back to shit.
See, I go tell you something. My mother born plenty children, and maybe the first daughter for my mother. Guess they don't all my younger sisters they don't marry finish to go their husbands. This is what they tell you so. All of them don't marry. Then they do well, then get big business. Some they work for big office. Now only me need they do anything. No husband. Pikin self I never born. I did for my papa.
You know they do anything.
I need to do anything.
You know they do any work when they give money. You know they do anything.
I never marry. I know they do work. No nothing. I just sit down. They serve my mother.
Wait. Not let me say like this now. Your mama should stay.
Now my mother has still do. This is what they tell you so. Not be joke. I never marry. I still dey single like this. What they tell you so. All my younger sisters.
You know they do it. No. We don't leave the marriage part aside first. I talk about the aspect of you. Any money like you they do any work.
I know they do anything. Nothing. I just sit down for us. They serve my mama.
They grab pepper.
They do work.
They fetch water.
They wash her clothes. They cook.
They wash plates.
Oh.
They wash bedroom. They wash clothes.
They do everything. This is what they tell you so.
Guys, please, I don't know what you get to talk about. Like this current world now, this current situation, where this country did now. Person sit there at my house. They wash plates. They fetch water. They grind pepper. They cook. They wash clothes. Guys, I don't even know what you really have to say about this. So, maybe you can just talk about yourself.
My mother, anytime when she dey cook food like this, she go always dey put something where be say when she don't put that thing for the food, when everybody chop am, everybody go sleep. See, one day I say I no go chop her food again.
Wait, you notice before you say you don't go chop her food again.
So as I go church now, my pastor can't tell me everything. Now he can't tell me say make I no sleep. Say she cook make I no eat the food. I can't say I don't.
Your pastor?
Yes, so you don't see am for the name of the spirit. Now he can't tell me. So that day she can't cook the food. I say today I no go shop. I no go shop today food. The rest people don't chop the food. My papa said don't shop the food. They don't sleep. Midnight, 12 o'clock, sharp, bam. Now I see my mother. Don't change to evil bed. I confirm am.
Evil like bed. You see her with your eye. She get wings to fly.
Don't change to evil bed. I catch her kokolo like this. I just say quiet. They look at.
You do like say you don't sleep.
She no know say they see her.
Jesus Christ.
Now my mother come fly. Fear. Go catch me. I just say like this. I go dey shift. I go dey like this. They say. I go say Jesus. So I say, oh yeah, be na my really na my mother na dey do me when I no marry. I dey for her house. They will serve her. They do boy work at my age.
They do. Good Samaritan.
They wash her clothes.
They work as housewife when you supposed to work for your
for my husband house. Yes, this is why they tell you so. My mother can't fly. So she never wake up from sleep now. They can't go wake her. She no dey gree wake.
You wake her?
Picture like this. She no dey gree wake.
Guys, I beg, you don't do. I don't want to make she finish our conversation. What's going to happen here? Just keep watching. Let's see what's going to happen because I know it's going to happen. What's going to happen is I will invite your mother over. You give me your number, call her over.
Yes, so.
Mo will talk to her. Mo will know why now you should keep.
Mo na help me out.
You will be first because when you say you're supposed to marry to open way for your younger ones. Oh, your younger ones don't marry. You never marry.
Mo na help me out when she come.
Mo will ask her what really happened. Why she do that kind of thing, and why she do that kind of thing, and why she don't want to stop to do that kind of thing. Because you really need to marry, whether she like it or not. You must marry.
I don't need to marry, go my husband's house now.
Guys, just keep watching this video happen because I never need to stop after now. Keep watching, guys.
Now my mama
your mama you talk about.
Yes, so my mama what I tell you say she changed to evil bed. They fly. You say from midnight 12 o'clock. Me, they fly. Wanna help me answer me? Me they fly. Help me answer. Why she won't die me?
Mama, wait. Mama, tell us say you know the fly.
Hey, I go tell you. Now she had the suspect they say they fly. I go tell you they fly.
Wait. So
See, they want to carry go church.
You supposed Mama, come. We know you got for you. My audience see in case you know. Mama, see. Mama, see camera. So
I can't leave camera face.
if you want expose your sister.
This kind of
If you want expose your daughter, Mama, see. I'm tell you what it. Come down. If you want expose your daughter, now the best time to expose your daughter be this. See camera. If you want expose your mama, now the best time for you to expose your mama is this. See camera. Most start.
Wait first. I get proof. A man of God, yes, so my pastor for church now.
Your pastor they fly. Your pastor na wish.
Your mother na wish.
Seriously,
how you carry know what she want us? No, come on. How you carry know what she want us?
My mother na
Wait, come. No, they go show say. I know say you this is here.
Yes.
With the way you tell me this story, I don't trust you.
Now so.
No be say, I know.
Okay.
No be say,
You.
no, calm down. Mama, calm down. Mama, calm down.
Make her dey pack your shit.
You say.
Yes, so she tell me make her no marry, make her dey pack her shit, dey cook for her, dey wash her clothes.
Wait.
Leave me.
Now you better person.
My junior the better
Call them my younger
Did you know
ones.
the better
All my
person?
younger ones don't marry.
She's a friend of pastor.
All my younger ones don't marry.
Come. Mama, my problem for this Osne will be say, how you carry no say she won't call you make she want to.
You know, she see me, she can't call her the fly.
She never told her before you told say she won't call you wish now.
See, Amo.
You don't call her wish before you
Make her
she
see.
talk say she don't even call
Make
you
her
wish.
tell me, see, one day like this, as she cook, I say today food I no go chop am. Immediately, she cook the food. Everybody don't chop now, so everybody sleep. Both the grandchildren will come for holiday, and so all of them sleep. Me and I there. I can't wait till 12 o'clock. Now my own mama call catch me. Oga, this woman go change to evil big bed.
Now you change.
Jesus bed.
Evil bed with
Get better. Move. She fly.
You.
Mom, not tell me say what is get talk about truth.
Now lie she dey lie.
Not tell me say what is get talk about.
She dey lie.
Not tell me say you dey fly, mama.
Where she go time me make I no marry. Make I no born my own children.
That's why you behave if you no marry.
Witchcraft. This my mama na wish.
So wait. Not tell me say your mouth only fly. You have your silence. You see your mouth.
I see her.
Your wings.
I see her.
Why?
I see
Why
her.
you not stop your
I
mama?
go for her.
Why you not be tell mama say,
No.
Mama they see you, you dey fly.
No, if I see am, she go come kill me because she know say person don't see am. So I can't do make she not see me. I just dey wan come and they see when she dey change because the rest
Now
people
the
dey
bad
sleep.
things that make you like this. You
Yeah,
be
mama.
idiot. You be idiot. When
Mama.
they fire pastor, they walk out. Let me
Witchcraft
See,
mother.
but pastor don't say,
pastor dey lie.
Papa so say you don't know something about this
I don't
girl.
suspect this girl and that pastor.
Pastor
No.
tell me.
Now what
she
the
dey
pastor
do me?
Pastor
Yes, so
say-
say now she dey do me. She no want
pastor
make
dey
her marry
do you.
go. Make her dey pack her shit. Make her dey wash her clothes. Make her dey do boy dey serve her. Me.
You are your pastor dey craze.
Now
You are your pastor dey craze.
A big man of God.
A very big man of God
A
for that
big man
matter.
of God. Now
I tell you say your own mama want me pack her shit.
Yes.
Me serve
The
her.
rest don't marry. God.
Me you not marry.
Yes.
And why you never actually marry?
I never still marry. My age don't dey go.
Mama.
My age don't pass 40.
I know just believe say wetin pastor talk say na truth.
This girl.
My age.
This girl.
This one they
She with that pastor dey friend.
my age.
I dey suffer too.
Oh, my own mother go dey pack her shit.
Like that na you dey take care of your mama like
Yes, sir.
but your mama na you come here by herself now.
Yes.
Why you go talk say na you dey pack her shit?
Now she dey pack her shit. You never know.
I'm not gonna take up back
See,
shit.
see, I go tell you something. Come, make I tell you something. See, you go come our house. I go tell you the time we go take come. You go see am when she don't cook finish. I go tell you say make you no chop the food. When you everybody don't sleep, the time reach wey be say she go change. I go tell you, you go me and you go just stay for corner. They wash. You go know say wetin I dey tell you na truth.
Shebi you know wetin your pikin talk abi? You hear abi you no hear?
See as speaking the life, man.
No, you hear what she talk about? You know
I don't think she talk.
Talk say no. You hear what she talk about? You know
I know here. I don't even hear. I know here.
You know what she talk?
I know here.
Guys, what will happen there? Just keep watching. Let's see what will happen now because I don't even know what's happening. Keep watching, guys.